guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the true spirit of 2020, where we only move between Zoom meetings, the kitchen and Facebook, we made this yummy carrot cake. When I say we, I mean my sister and I. So please stay tuned for how we made this. For ingredients, which are listed in the description box down below, we'll be using baking soda, cinnamon, mixed spice, salt, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, flour, 4 eggs, carrots, and cooking oil. So as you can see, we used 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and we mix the dry ingredients with the cinnamon and the mixed spice. So as you can see, we start by mixing all the dry ingredients together, which we'll set aside, and also mix the wet ingredients as you will see later on in the video. So for the cinnamon and the mixed spice, you can add more than what we added, which was just a tablespoon. Oh, and for the flour, of course it's mentioned in the description down below, but we only used 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And for the sugar, we used brown sugar. You can use white sugar or any sugar that you prefer. That's baking sugar, the one which is refined. So the brown sugar adds to the color of the cake, making it brown. So as you can see in the video, we're just breaking the eggs, then we'll add the vanilla essence to that, and a cup of cooking oil. That's 250 mils, using the measuring cup. So, and you also add the sugar to that mixture. When you mix everything as you are seeing in the video, we'll just combine that with the flour and until they are well mixed. So once the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients are ready, you just begin to mix that together as you can see in the video. So we're using about 400 grams of carrots, and you'll notice that when we mix this together, the mixture was quite stiff, which is not what it's supposed to be. So it could be we had used less cooking oil, but this cake is quite unhealthy, if I might add. So you would want to substitute some of the cooking oil with just a little bit of water, or you can maintain the recipe as it is. So we substituted some cooking oil with just a little bit of water, as you will see later in the video. So as you will notice, when we added the water, the mixture became a bit light, which is great, and that's what we're looking for. So at this point, your oven should already be preheating, because we want to place our cake in an already heated oven. So at this point, you also need to grease your pan. So you just get a baking tin. We used a cake baking tin, and we just apply butter in it. You can use cooking spray, I think, or parchment paper, whichever one you prefer, which will make your work easier. So we used butter to just place in the tin, as you will see in the side of the video. And once that is ready, you just pour the mixture in the baking tin and take it to your oven to cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. So to bake the cake, the oven was set at 180 degrees Celsius and was heating both at the bottom and on top. And this is the end result of the cake. It splits quite a lot, but it was a snack. It was not going anywhere, and you won't believe it when I say this cake was demolished before we could even go to bed, and it was meant for the next day. That's just how delicious it was, and it's best enjoyed warm with a glass of milk. I hope you try it out, and next probably we'll try a banana cake, because I don't cook alone, I cook with my sister. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, like the video, comment down below, refer your friends, try out the cake, tag me in your posts and your pictures. It's a very yummy cake, and the carrot flavor just makes it very interesting and very nice. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.